Professor, my name is SongziCao and my number is N19920310. For second part, let N be a Poisson process with parameter lambda. That is Pn, the number of random points arriving T1, T2, x to k is a Poisson process equation like this. And now we define a new stochastic process as xt equals 1 if n is odd in from 1 to t, and equals to minus 1 if n is even in ot. Like this picture. And in a part, we want to find pxt equals to 1. To begin with, we can easily get e lambda t equals 1 at lambda t, and then at the square of lambda t on the 2 multiply 1, and then add point by point. And we can also set this as 1, equation 1, and e minus lambda t equals to 1 minus lambda t at the square of lambda t on the 2 multiply 1, and minus lambda t to 3 times on the 3 multiply 2 multiply 1, and at point. We can set this part as second equation, and by use 1 minus 2, this part minus this part, we can get e lambda t equals to e lambda t minus e minus lambda t, and we can get use these two parts different part add and mass calculate. We can get this result is 2 multiply the sum of lambda t at lambda t to 3 on the 3 multiply 2 multiply 1, and this, and then we can get 1 minus e minus 2 lambda t on 2 equals to this equation. So the probability of xt equals to 1 equals to p in from 0 to t, and the k is odd, equals to the sum of this part. It equals to 1 minus e minus 2 lambda t on the 2. And for second part, we want to find the expect of xt. So for b part, we also use these two parts. 1 add 2 equals to e lambda p add e minus lambda t, then equals to multiply the result of 1 add the lambda t square on 2, and add point by point, and then it equals to 1 add e minus 2 lambda t on 2, and equals to this part. Also, then we can get the probability of xt equals to minus 1 equals to p in from 1 to from 0 to t, and k equals to even. Then it equals to 1 at e minus 2 lambda t, the result of this on 2. So ext equals to 1 multiply p xt equals to 1, then add minus 1 multiply p xt equals to minus 1. So the final result is minus e minus 2 lambda t. And in C part, we have to find R T1 T2. For T2 bigger than T1. R T1 T2 equals to E x T1 x T2. So it equals to this part 1 mu I P x T x T2 x T1 x T2 that equals to 1, and that minus 1 multiply P x T2 x T1 equals to minus 1. So we simplify it equals to E minus 2 lambda multiply the result of T2 minus T1. Consider both cases T2 bigger than T1 and T2 smaller than T1. We got R T1 T2 equals to E minus 2 lambda, the result of T1 multiplied T1 minus T2. That's the final result. That's all. Thank you.